Hello, Reshma here, and I'm going to show you today a case study on AI-driven patient index and EMPI, which is Enterprise Master Patient Index, implementation from the team at Titan Intake. Thank you to Titan for sharing your story today. First of all, there are several notable aspects to this case study. One of the interesting things is that it uses large language models, or LLMs, to convert unstructured data into FHIR. This is a very cool feature and novel in this implementation. Second, it uses a FHIR native patient index with deduplication. So when you think about the patient resource in FHIR, the Titan team is doing active deduplication using FHIR as a basis for their master patient index. Another cool implementation. And third, another interesting aspect to this implementation is that it has a lot of connections to downstream's EHRs through the FHIR G10. So as we go through the material in this presentation today, just note these three major features. How does it work? So Titan Intake takes data from faxes, SFTPs, or HL7 feeds, which is largely unstructured, puts it through their LLMs, and using MedPlum converts it to FHIR. It then synchronizes that data to multiple EHRs. The workflow here is a referral workflow. And so the use case is one practice wants to refer a patient for specialty care, so they send the data over fax or SFTP. Once the data is normalized, it's synchronized to the second institution's EHR. So that is the workflow there. And the team at Titan will demonstrate how the application works in the next section of the presentation.
Hi, I'm Rachel, one of the founders of Titan Intake, here to walk you through a quick demo of Titan Intake's referral automation tool. We are for specialty clinics to help them improve their workflow, bring additional revenue into their clinics, and help improve the patient experience. So first, what Titan's doing is intercepting all incoming referrals. We intercept referrals whether they come through fax or email, FHIR, ADT, or SFTP connection. Any referral is coming into Titan first. It makes it super easy for clinics to search for and find exactly what they're looking for with our handy-dandy search bar, whether that's looking for a specific referred patient, or even a referring provider. As we see, Juliet is referring Romeo to the doctor again. But it makes it really easy for the entire team to keep up with the workflow, whether that's registration, they can go to scheduling, clinical, all through our inboxes feature, customizable per clinic needs. But let's open up a referral. Why is this so different than just an eFax? Well, Titan is automatically capturing the referral information and dragging it out to the side here where we can quickly and easily see everything that matters to a clinic. All of the referral demographic information, insurance providers, referring provider information, the reason for visit, even seeing that it's marked as urgent. We're pulling diagnosis codes, medication lists, lab reports, procedure history, ordered procedures, whatever is relevant to that clinic, Titan Intake can automatically extract. We're also pulling out codes like HCC and Elix Hauser relevant for value-based care to help providers and their practices more easily transition to value-based billing. We also provide communication to patients and the referring providers, keeping all parties in the loop every step of the way, giving the patient just the peace of mind that knowing that they're in good hands with your clinic, and providing a fax to the referring provider, letting them know that you are the best provider to be sending their patients to. And of course, once that patient is scheduled and they're ready to be synced with the EMR, that's easy to do as well. Titan has out-of-the-box integrations with Cerner, NextGen, eClinicalWorks, and others, so it's easy to pull all of this information and directly put it into a clinic's EMR information. As we see, this patient was successfully uploaded. Now you'd be able to go into your EMR and see that patient live there with all of the information that you need. Titan is also providing you with lots of data on these referrals. Oftentimes it's hard to know exactly how many referrals you're getting, where they're coming in from, and the diagnoses that you're seeing in the clinic. Now Titan makes that easy with a referral dashboard that allows you to zoom in live with real data to understand everything you need to know about the operations of your clinic. I would love to chat with you more. Feel free to reach out to me at 405-385-2227 or shoot me an email at Rachel, Rachel, @titanintake.com. Thanks.